Today we're finishing our unit on decimal operations, and our last topic is solving multi-step problems. So in order for us to solve multi-step word problems, we're going to read the whole problem, identify the operations that need to be used and in what order, look for the numbers that are in the problem, set up the problem, solve, and then make sure you label your answer in the end. So it's the same steps as we used for solving one-step problems, but in this case, we're solving multiple steps before we get the final answer. So let's look at the first two examples. Number one, this table shows the weight of Vincent's 3 dogs. What is the difference between the combined weight of Hannah and Dylan and the weight of Wilson? So if we look at the table here, we have the weight of the dogs, the weight of Hannah, Wilson, and Dylan, and we are looking for the combined weight of Hannah and Dylan versus the weight of Wilson. And if you want to, put a little versus there. And so in order to solve this problem, the first thing that we need to do is find this combined weight. So step one, we're going to find the combined weight of Hannah and Dylan. So if we look at the chart, we're going to add those two together because combined means add. And when we add, we're going to add Hannah, which is 7.5 kilograms, plus Dylan, which is 28.9 kilograms. And when we add those two together, we get 36.4 kilograms. Now, we're not quite done yet, though, because we need to do that versus the weight of Wilson and compare it, because it wants to know what is the difference right here. And that difference means that we're going to do subtraction. So for step 2, we're going to find the difference between Hannah and Dylan versus Wilson. So we're going to find the difference. So when we find the difference, we're going to subtract. And we're going to subtract the combined weight of Hannah and Dylan, which we found up here, which was 36.4 kilograms. And we're going to subtract the weight of Wilson. And you can see that up in the table up here. The weight of Wilson is 11.6 kilograms. So we're going to subtract 11.6 here. And we're going to get an answer of 24.8. Now remember, 24.8 cannot be my final answer. I need to label it as 24.8 kilograms is my final answer for that one. If we look at the second example, the cost for a movie ticket is $5.50. Soft drinks cost $1.25 each. What is the total cost for 13 people to each purchase a movie ticket and a soft drink? So if we look at that problem, we have a movie ticket is $5.50. A soft drink is $1.25 each. And it wants to know the total cost for 13 people. Now, don't make the mistake just because I see total and add it all together. That's not the steps that we're going to do. First, we need to figure out how much is it going to be just to go to the movies for one person. Because we need to get up to 13, but we're not there yet. So the first step is how much is it for one person? And in order to figure out how much it is for one person, well, we're going to take the cost of the movie ticket and we're going to add it to the cost of the soda. So we have a movie ticket, which is $5.50, plus the soda, which is $1.25. And if I add those two together, I get $6.75. Now, I'm not done there because that's only one person. I want to find 13 people. Well, do I really want to add that 13 times? No. Let's just multiply the cost. So our cost we got was $6.75 from above. So we're going to multiply. So we're going to find how much it is for, I guess it should be is it. For 13 people. And we said we're going to multiply. And we're going to take that $6.75 and we're going to do it 13 times. And when we do that, we end up with 87.75. Now, don't make the same mistakes a lot of you have been making with the one-step problems, is not turning it into money. So remember, our final answer needs to be money with a dollar sign, and it's $87.75 for 13 people to go to the movies. Let's look at the next page. So I want you to pause the video real quick. I want you to see if you can figure out how to solve number 3. So go ahead, pause, see if you can figure out number 3, and if you're stuck, you can unpause, and I'll go through it. But I want you to try to do it by yourself first. Okay, so this one says, Jackson's parents went shopping for supplies for his birthday party. They bought 6 pizzas, 5 bottles of soda, a cake. His parents also purchased 2 packs of, that should say plates, that's our mistake, 1 bag of cups, and 2 packs of napkins. How much money, excluding tax, did Jackson's parents spend for the party? So, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look in the problem. Let's highlight what's important. So, they bought 6 pizzas, 5 bottles of soda, a cake, 2 packs of plates, 1 bag of cups, and 2 packs of napkins. And it's asking, how much money did the parents spend? Okay, so it gives us all the costs of the party supplies here. And it says we bought 6 pizzas. So our first step, let's write step 1. It's going to be to multiply the cost of each item by the amount. So you're going to multiply the cost of each item by the amount. So let's start with the pizza. So pizzas, and how many did we get? We got 6 pizzas times the amount, which was $12.68. And if I multiply those together, I get $67.08. Then let's do soda. I bought 5 bottles of soda, and soda cost me $2.49. So if I multiply those together, you get $12.45. And you can put the dollar sign with these. The next one is the cake. And I only got 1 cake. So 1 cake times the cost of the cake, which would be $24.99. Now, and we know anything times 1 is just going to be the same, so it's just $24.99. And then we got the plates. And we bought 2 packs of plates times the cost of plates, which is $2.25. And $2 times $2.25 is $4.50. Scroll just a little bit. Plates. Our next thing that we got was cups. And we bought one bag of cups, and the cost of the cups is $3.94. And if we multiply that together, we get $3.94 because it just times 1. And then the last thing that we got was the napkins. And the napkins, we bought 2 packs of napkins for $2.25 each. And if we multiply that together, we get $4.50. So now we know how much each item cost us when we purchased it. The last step that we need to do is we need to add the cost of all of those items together. So step 2 is going to be to add up the cost of all the items. So I'm going to add up the $76.08, the $12.45, the $24.99, the $4.50, the $3.94, and the $4.50. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to count. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can add all those together. Please remember this is a calculator unit, so use your calculator to check yourself at least. And when you get all those added together, you get 126.46. Now, please remember that this is money, so your final answer should have a $sign, and it's $126.46 for Jackson's parents to throw his birthday party. Okay, I want you to pause. I want you to try number 4 on your own, and when you're ready, unpause the video, and I'll go through it real quick with you. Okay, so this one here. While shopping at the mall, Megan bought 5 t-shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, and the shorts were $26.50 each. All of the t-shirts cost the same amount, and she spent $65.50 total on the t-shirts and shorts. What is the cost of each t-shirt? So it's asking, what is the cost of each t-shirt? I bought 5 t-shirts and 2 pairs of shorts, and it says the shorts were $26.50 each. And we spent this much and all the shirts cost the same. So we have to figure that out as part of the problem. So if we look at this one, step 1 is going to be to figure out how much were 2 pairs of shorts. So how much are 2 pairs of shorts? So 1 pair of shorts was this $26.50, but I have 2 pairs of shorts, so I'm going to multiply $26.50 times 2 pairs of shorts. And if I do that, I get $53 for the shorts total. But I'm not looking for the cost of the shorts, I'm looking for the cost of each t-shirt. So for step 2, you need to subtract the cost of the shorts from this total cost to figure out what's left for the shirts. So we're going to subtract the cost of the shorts from the total cost. So the total cost is $165.50 minus the shorts, which we found right here were $53. If we do that subtraction, I'm left with $112.50. And that what is left. So this is left for t-shirts. Now, it's not asking total what's left for the t-shirt, so if you stopped there, you missed one last little thing you need to do. I want to know the cost for each t-shirt. Because it's each t-shirt, the last step is going to be to divide. So we are going to divide the total cost of the shirts. So that's this number right here. By the total number of shirts bought. So the cost for the shirts was $112.50 divided by how many shirts we bought. Well, if we look back into the problem, we bought 5 shirts. So we're going to divide by 5, which equals $22.50. And that is our answer for the cost of each t-shirt. So our answer is $22.50 per shirt. You put t-shirt. Okay, so your job is to finish the rest of the activities that are posted for you. And if you have questions, make sure that you ask your teacher.